Okay, Alexander, can you please count how many coins we have with your pointer finger?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
There's 4.
There's 4. Good counting. Mommy's gonna hide these coins in the Play-Doh for you to
Oh,
find. Okay?
okay.
But no peeking.
Okay, I just gotta close my eyes.
Okay, close your eyes.
Like this.
Okay. No peeking. I'll tell you when we're ready. Okay, I'm ready. Now, how many coins do we have to find?
4.
4. Okay, ready, set, go. When you find them, pull them out. There's 1, 2. How many more?
2 more. Use this like stick my whole entire hand inside.
Okay.
Just put it all over this one. There's one more. Where is it?
Where is it?
I'm gonna break all of these parts. I can see something silver.
Is it the coin?
I don't know.
Let's see. Can you pull it out with your fingers? You did it. Okay.
I do.
Do we have all 4 coins?
Yep.
Okay.
But
You
Mommy,
gotta get the Play-Doh off. Alexander, we're going to make a ball with our Play-Doh now. Ready? Roll it into a ball. You can roll it like this or on the table. Okay, good. Then we're going to give it a gentle squish, just like that. Good. Okay, now choose a gem. Which color would you like? Green. Okay, take the pointy end and push it in your Play-Doh. Good job. Okay, choose a coin. Pick any one you want. Pick it up. Now stick it in the Play-Doh. Push it all the way in. Good job. Okay, take another coin with your other hand. Pick it up and push it all the way in. Good job. Okay, now this is the tricky part. We're going to use your crocodile fingers to pull out the coins. Ready? Pull, pull. Can you pull out the gem? Good job. Can you do this one? You can use your other hand to hold the Play-Doh. Use, here, hold the Play-Doh. There you go. Good job! Alexander, can you make crocodile fingers? Show me crocodile fingers. Okay, now use your crocodile fingers to, wait. We're gonna use your crocodile fingers to pick up the spiders. Okay, first, let's use our pointer finger. Let's count the spiders. How many spiders do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
10. Okay, now with our crocodile fingers, you pick up one spider at a time and put it on the snake. Ready, set, go. Good job using your crocodile fingers.
This is going to be gross.
Okay,
Spiders on the tongue.
good job.
A spider's eating it.
Remember, we use our crocodile fingers. Show me your crocodile fingers again.
Ah, why is there so many things eating me? Oh,
Good job! Yay!
that spider got it.
Alexander, look at mommy. For our next activity, we're gonna hide a pom-pom in our hand, only using these 2 or 3 fingers, okay? You try it with this hand. Can you hide it? Now, we need your crocodile fingers free. Mommy's gonna help. Put it here. Hold it. Good. Now with your crocodile fingers, see how many spiders you can put on the log. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Good job. Don't drop the pom-pom.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
For our next activity, we're going to pick up 1 spider at a time and hide it in your hand. Okay, can you try that? So you're gonna use this hand to hold the basket and this hand to pick up the spiders. Ready? Go. Let's see how many you can do. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got 2. Okay, can you hide it in your hand?
3, 4,
Yeah, 3, 4,
5.
5. Let's see.